Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically, and this will actually be my first ever video for the $10,000 challenge. What I'm doing is putting around $1,000 to $2,000 in this account, and I'm going to try grow it to $10,000 and show you guys it's possible. So just so you guys know, the things I invested in on this challenge are extremely risky, so please do your own research before following my videos. This is not financial advice and only for entertainment purposes, so please do research. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to me so my videos go out to a large audience so people can learn more about investing. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Basically, this is my portfolio for the challenge. So basically right now I have $340.51 and my buying power is $218. Okay, so my plans for the next few days is going to buy these 4 stocks. So Genomics, Clean Energy Fuels, and Nano Dimension. So Genomics. I was super lucky this morning, so I put a buy order on 960 and it went straight through. It just hit 960, then it shooted up. So 1050 yesterday, so that's why my average price is 1020. So my average price is 1020 at 14.5 shares. And my total return is $4.75. I mean, 5 to 10 years I'm holding this out. So yeah, it's a 2.86 billion company, so it has loads of room to grow to about, it could grow up to 15 billion company. Genomics provides a platform to analyze the long segments of genomic DNA, saying that sequences cannot detect structural variation, so they're coming up with cytogenetics and cytogenomics for testing for structural variations. So basically this just gives you a general idea. So first of all, they have a sample, then they do the DNA extraction, then the sample loaded on their tool, then analyzed on the computer. So it could go from 2.6 billion to 3.8 billion, which is actually pretty good. So to me, I truly believe this company. I truly believe this is a new era in DNA testing. The next company we're looking at is called Clean Energy Fuels Corp. This is a clean energy company of 9.79 shares at $10.21. Currently up 2.15%. So what they do is they try to make commercial vehicles and other vehicles to use fuel more efficiently for the environment, to reduce emissions. Once that they're going to make more carbon negative fuel available with BP. What this means is that this is actually good for the environment, because this carbon negative fuel actually reduces the long-term effects of fuel has on the environment, which is we're all trying to solve climate change, so this is really good. So we're just going to look at the different type of fuels. I'm not going to go in depth with this. These different fuels, they're basically good for the environment. So we have compressed natural gas, liquefied natural gas, and redeemed renewable natural gas. So liquefied is actually refrigerated gas. Compressed is compressed gas, obviously, and redeemed renewable natural gas. We take a look at that. This is the world's first renewable natural gas, which is 70% cleaner than gasoline and diesel. So it delivered less in 2019, so it's decreased, so 157.7 compared to 162.3 and 31.1 compared to 32.5. So they have decreased their delivered gallons of these gases. It's been decreasing over 2019 to 2020. I do think they have massive potential in 2021 with Joe Biden being president and promoting clean energy. They have apparently 669,000 in assets, which means they have enough assets to cover their liabilities of over 141,000, cash of $79,171, and they have, which is enough to pay off their debt and enough to cover their total current liabilities. So please do your research on this one. This is a really, really risky stock. So yeah. So if I were to get into this one, I would get in below 1050, so around 1020, 1030. That's a good price. And if it drops to 9, you buy some more. So the next last stock we're going to hold for this portfolio, we're going to do, it's called Nano Dimensions, ticker symbol NNDM. So basically I got 5.96 shares at average price of $14.42. So this stock is for the long term, at least 5 to 10 years, because this company focuses on 3D printing, and I do think that's going to be a success in the long term. So what they do is they focus on the research and development of 3D printing. I'm just going to play you guys a quick video, so check this out. It's really technical. They're really technical stuff. Look, that's a laser. So that's known emissions. The revenues are really down. They're really down a lot from 2019, but that's okay. The price has dropped from around $75-$90 to around $67. So they're actually recovering. So I won't be too worried about their revenue, because they're producing revenue right now. They are trying to get back up to the level. Really small. They can go up to 50 billion company in a matter of years. They have total liabilities of $10,000 and $575. They have more than enough assets to cover their liabilities. So they have enough cash alone to pay off their liabilities. So they have a lot of cash actually. So the thing that gives me confidence in this specific company is because ARK Invest in their ARQ ETF, they're invested into it, 7,063 shares. Invest in this company, I would do it around $14 to $15, and then just average down. There's 3 stocks I'm buying this week and next week for this portfolio, the $10,000 portfolio. So I'm going to try grow this portfolio to $10,000 by 2022. So yeah, if you guys want to follow on this journey, just stick with me. Feel free to subscribe and comment below if this helps you. Also, like this video. You guys could like this video for the YouTube algorithm, so it goes out to a larger audience, and so people will learn more about investing. You guys have a wonderful day.